Welcome back to Explore Error. By default, when you right-click in Windows 11, a new compact menu appears. Some users may prefer the classic Windows 10 style menu instead. Follow these steps to bring back the classic menu. Open Command Prompt. Click on Search, type CMD, and open Command Prompt. Copy and paste the following command, then press Enter. Reg add HKCU /software /classes /CLISD bracket 86CA 1AA0 34 AA0 4EB8 A509 50C9 05 BAE2 bracket /nproc server 32 /f /VE. I will also include this command in the description. Now restart Windows Explorer by copying and pasting the following command, then press Enter. Taskkill /f /im explorer.exe and start explorer.exe. Now let's test it. When you right-click, you should see the classic Windows 10 style menu. If you want to go back to the default Windows 11 menu, copy and paste the following command and press Enter. Reg delete HKCU /software /classes /CLISD bracket 86CA 1AA0 34 AA0 4EB8 A509 50C9 05 BAE2 bracket TAF /. This command will also be added in the description. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below the video.